Okay, I have the fifth flight with my FX9631, and here we go. Very windy day today, 9-10 miles an hour, so not sure why I'm beeping like crazy here, but we'll figure that out. And it's up. Trying a little smaller park with a little bit more trees to hopefully protect us a little bit from this wind. Oop. A little bit too low on the throttle there. Oop. And the wind is shifting, so I'm not sure what's going to happen here. Feels like it's behind me all of a sudden. Or to my right. It's supposed to be from the west. Zipping by good. Let's see if we can bring it around this way. Wind's definitely coming a little bit more north now, right there. Still flying pretty well for a tiny little, I think it's 110 grams without the battery. That's tiny, and the battery itself is pretty small. I'm going to fly this way. It seems to fly with this wind, it's easier. Flying full out, full throttle. About half throttle into the wind. Get around this way. Well, the wind's behind me again. Ooh, really picking up. We'll definitely be able to hopefully get this down safely. It's definitely picked up. Coming from behind me. Whoa. Battery might be getting low. I'm zipping around pretty good here. I get a spot where the sun's not in my eyes. There we go. Looking fifth flight here. Just gliding right now into the wind, just kind of settling it down. See if I can just bring it down slow. There we go. Awesome ending. Little flip from the wind at the end, but overall great. Appreciate you watching. Thank you for liking and subscribing, and have a wonderful evening.